October 3rd and 4th, NYSERDA will host a workshop in New York City, Columbia University, together with NREL and E3. The goal of this 1.5-day workshop is to gain input on R&D focus areas, key market barriers, and policy options to help NYSERDA work on the first New York State hydrogen strategy or roadmap. I understand that some attendees may also join our Hydrogen Hub meetings recently. To clarify the difference, this workshop focuses on the strategy for New York State and how hydrogen can help us achieve our climate goal up to 2050. The Hydrogen Hub effort is a collaboration across 6 states and to focus on submitting winning proposals to DOE for the Northeast region. Mark from NREL will talk more about this workshop.
On the first day of the workshop, Monday, October 3rd, we will focus on hydrogen R&D and other opportunities for the state of New York. John Lochner will present an overview of the NYSERDA hydrogen initiatives. That will be followed by NREL presenting on their market analysis of the state of New York, potential R&D gaps identified by the U.S. Department of Energy, and then opportunities for R&D to be funded by NYSERDA within the state of New York. Following that, we will have a breakout session where attendees will be asked to provide input and ideas on research and development areas, and then help us to identify priorities for those areas. On the second day, Tuesday, October 4th, E3 will focus us on policy options. They will present some of their policy option identification work, and then also have breakout sessions to brainstorm and prioritize policy options. We will end by noon on Tuesday, October 4th. Thank you.